Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an oven door that doesn't close properly on a Whirlpool electric range. This might be happening if the hinges are broken, bent, or sprung. And listen, don't let this problem unhinge you. Today we're going to work to fix this problem step by step. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a soft pad or cloth. And please remember to always keep safety first. Unplug your range or switch off the circuit breaker to cut the power before working on it so you can keep yourself safe. When you open the oven door and it flops down, or if you go to close it and you notice that it doesn't close properly, then the door hinges are probably weak. If you see that the inside door gasket is getting scorched because of escaping heat, it's because the door isn't closing tight enough. If you're seeing these symptoms, the door hinge will need to be replaced. Let me show you how to do it. First, you need to open the door all the way until it lays flat. Then move the door hinge clips so they extend over to the hinge and lock it into position. Go ahead and find a good flat surface nearby and lay a protective pad down. Then gently lift the door up and out of the hinge socket. Lay it flat on the protective padding so that the hinges are facing upwards. After you've done that, you need to use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws at the bottom of the door. Once you remove the screws that hold the hinge, you should be able to lift the inner panel and slide the hinges out. Here's the old hinge and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. With the old part out, just slide the new hinge into place and reinstall the mounting screws. It's possible that the front glass and side trim pieces might come loose when you access the hinge. If they do, here's how to reattach them. First, flip the door over and lay it back down. The trim pieces are labeled left and right, so make sure you put them on the right side. Tuck the top of the trim under the vent piece at the top of the door. They are indented, so you'll know how far to slide them in. The bottom of the trim has two pieces sticking out of it that line up with the two holes at the bottom of the door. Make sure these line up and are secure. Once both trim pieces are locked in, take the front glass and carefully slide it in, starting at the top under the handle. Then tuck the bottom of the glass under the metal trim at the bottom. Reinstall the screws you took out earlier to secure the glass. And now all you need to do is slide the door back into place, open the door all the way until it lays flat, and push the clips back into position. Close the door and you're done. Don't forget to plug your range back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new door hinge yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. And listen, I just showed you how to replace your door hinges and save a ton of money. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support. I'm going to lunch.